In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and display metafields on your Shopify product pages. This guide will help you customize product information more effectively, enhancing the overall shopping experience on your online store. So, let's get started. First, let's dive right into the Shopify admin panel. What you'll want to do is click on Products. Here you'll see a list of all the products in your store. It's important to select the product to which you'd like to add a metafield. This is the crucial first step towards customizing your product information. Once you've selected your product, the next thing to do is scroll down until you find the Metafields section. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this area because this is where a lot of magic happens in terms of detailed product information. You'll notice a button labeled View All, which you should click. This action will give you access to view definitions, and this is your gateway to creating and managing your metafields. Now we're at a pivotal point, creating a new definition. Click on Add Definition. At this stage, you need to decide what you want to name your metafield. Let's say we call it Fabric Material. Under Select Type, choose Single Line Text. This setting is optimal for simple descriptions. Another crucial aspect of metafields is determining character limits. So take a moment to set a minimum and maximum character count, like from 7 to 50 characters, giving you flexibility while maintaining structure. Don't forget to click Save and Exit to lock in your new settings. Next, it's time to add some value to your metafield. Retreat back to the selected product and head again to the Product Metafields section. Here you'll see the new metafield created earlier. It's time to fill in the text bar with your custom information. Something like 100% organic cotton works well. Once you've inputted your details, remember to save your changes. This will ensure everything you've done is correctly stored. To make your work visible, you'll need to display these metafields on your online store. Start by going to Online Store, then Themes, and hitting Customize. Find the product page editor and click on Default Product. In the preview panel, click Change to select the product where the metafield was added. Under the Template section, choose Product Information, and then add a text block or dynamic source. Something like a collapsible row can work nicely. Make sure to click on the dynamic source icon or the little database symbol to ensure your metafield is connected. Finally, it's time for a preview. Visit your online store and open the product page you've been working on. Refresh the page and there it is, your newly added metafield, prominently displayed, ready for all your customers to see. And that's it. You've successfully added and displayed metafields on your Shopify store, giving your customers enriched product information.